This is the last question of indefinite integration. Indefinite integration, last question. Any more questions you have doubt, you can post me. I already Arihant M. Agarwal, Amit Agarwal, I have posted you. You can solve that. All I covered, all methods, all problems I covered. You can practice the book for the JEE Mains and Advanced. Right now, see here, this is the last question of the integral, nth integrations of this. What is here? Integration of, you have to find integration of sec x power n dx. Integration of sec x power n dx. You have to find integration of sec x power n dx. So what we can write this is as sec x power n minus 2x into sec square x dx. I am making it product of two functions. Product of two functions. Because you know that sec square x integration you know. You cannot write sec power n minus 2x into sec x. You don't write here n minus 1 into sec x. Because integration of sec x will be difficult. So what is that here? You have to make as such a way you have to write the product of two functions that one should be differentiation, one should be easy integration. Easy integration should be there. Easy one should be there integration. You know sec square x is there here. This is sec square x. Integration of sec square x is very easy. Correct? So what is that is the reason we have to express this sec x to the power of nx dx. We can write as sec x power n minus 2x into sec square x dx. Reason why we are taking sec square x. Sec square x is the integration is very easy one. Sec square x integration is what? Tan x. So that is very easy. So that is the reason we have made into product of two functions. Now one function, easy function we take integration, hard function we take differentiation. Let us see by parts I am applying. If I apply by parts, what I am going to get? The first function will be outside, the second function will be integrated. So what I get here, In is equal to, this is In, okay. In is equal to, we can write as this one, first function out, sec x power n minus 2x, integration of sec square x dx minus integration of d by dx of first function, integration of second function, and product integration of this product. So what I do here, sec x power n minus 2x, this you know sec square x integration is tan x minus, and this integration of sec power n minus 2, differentiation of this one is n minus 2 into sec power n minus 2 minus 1, that is n minus 3x. And the integration of, and you have to do differentiation of this cycle. Okay, what is, we can say that chain rule. What happened, I will tell you, differentiation of sec power n minus 2x is, I can write as n minus 2 sec power n minus 2 minus 1, that is n minus 3x, and you have to differentiate the sec x. What is the differentiation of sec x? Sec x into tan x, and integration of sec square x is what? Tan x. This whole product is what I have to do, integration dx. So In is equal to sec x power n minus 2x into tan x minus, this n minus 2 is a constant I am taking out. Okay, n minus 2 is a constant I am taking out, otherwise keep inside, no problem. Let us see here, I have wrote 2 times, let me correct this mistake. Okay, this one I am keeping same as it is, don't take outside. I am keeping here n minus 2 sec power n minus 3x into, this is 1 sec x, tan x into tan x, that is tan square x, tan x into tan x, tan square x. So I am keeping this thing same and this thing is same, and I am keeping this thing also same. So tan x into tan x, tan square x, I am writing sec square x minus 1. Tan x into tan x is what? Tan square x, that is I can write as sec square x minus 1. This will be as it is. This will be I am keeping as it is. There is no change in this. Okay, and we are doing only this side, integration. So n minus 2 is there, n minus 2. Now I will multiply this. Okay, sec square x into sec x, that is sec cube x. And sec power n minus 3x into sec cube x is n minus 2 into sec power, see this is how much here, sec power n minus 2 ones are, this is 1, this whole thing is multiplying with 1. Okay, this whole thing is multiplied with this one, I got sec power nx dx, and this second one if I multiply n minus 2 sec power n minus 2x dx. Now this is I can note in is equal to sec x power n minus 2x into tan x. See sec power n minus 2x into tan x minus n minus 2. This is nothing but in plus n minus 2. This is nothing but in minus 2. This is the way to do it. This is the reduction formulas, and a lot more. If anything is there, I'll post you in your group. And we have end this chapter. The chapter indefinite integration has been completed in depth. All videos are there in the playlist. You can watch it. Write the notes. I have explained very interesting and very important questions. Solve all the questions. Write the notes. Solve all the questions. And definitely you will be mastered in integration of indefinite integration. I'll assure that. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.